The Kelve pankot fort is hardly a couple of kilometers from Bhawangarh fort. This fort is visible from a distance, and what makes it unique is its position. It is at a distance of approx 1 kilometer from the beach, so it is possible to reach there only during low tide, as it will be surrounded by water from all the sides during the high tide. And luckily when we reached there it was low tide. But we were skeptical to take our bikes close to the fort, so we asked a local, can we take our bikes there, won't it get stuck in the sand? He replied, you can ride till there, no issues. So we slowly took our bikes one by one there. It was fun to ride on the beach, as I had never did this. We had to keep the balance as the sand was loose and have to be careful that we don't ride it through wet area where the chances of getting stuck is more. After reaching close to it, we found a bit difficult to park our bikes there as the stand would sink in the sand, and anyhow we managed to park it. This fort has a shape of a boat, and maybe that's the reason that is still strong. After venturing around the fort, we tried to enter it. This fort doesn't have a proper entrance, as the entrance was easily above 6 feet and a rope was hanging at the entrance. So we had to hold and climb inside the fort using that rope. There was nothing much inside, just few windows and trees, but the view it offers from the coastline is awesome.